Yes, please access the Stretch website. Please access the Stretch website first. And there, so let's remove the cat and let's take, instead of the cat, let's take a tennis ball, right? Let's take a tennis ball. I'm going to use, choose a sprite one, and there I'm going to search for tennis ball, and here it is, a green color one. You can select that. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, have you ever played a game called Pong? P-O-N-G, Pong? No.
Not really, sir. Not really.
Okay, so let's create the game and then you can play it. Okay, so this ball we are going to use for the game, right? And so I just want the ball to bounce first. To do that, I'm going to the events and dragging the control forever. And then I'm asking the ball to move 10 steps. And in case of edge, I'm asking to bounce back. Right, then I play this. You can see it's going, bouncing and coming back. Okay, this is the first step. You can share your screen. Right, you can share your screen and start coding your one. You have to take the ball, then move 10 steps and then bounce at the edge. Okay, so let's do that. That is simple. Yanola, you can share the screen. Right, okay, I can see it now. Yes, go to the Chrome, yes. Click one time, it's okay, it will take some time to load. Don't click multiple times, it will load like multiple instances. So then it will slow down your computer, right? So just wait, be patient, it's okay. Take your time. Yeah, search for the tennis ball. T-E-N-N. Just start T-E-N-N. Right, let's now let's try to change the direction of the ball, right? Let's try to change the direction of the ball because this is bouncing, you can see horizontally. I just want to bounce vertically, this direction, up and down. I just want to down, I just want to bounce this up and down. Okay, let's try to change that. So to do that, you can just take this one from the motion, you can take pointing direction, just change pointing direction. So just keep it there. I want to point in direction down. It's, so you can see there's a clock like thing, right? You can change the direction, point in direction, this side or this side or this side, there are values. So top is 0, this side is 90 and bottom is 180. This is minus 90 and this is likewise. You can change this. I just want to bounce bottom, so it's I just want ball to go bottom, so I'll put that 180. So then it will start going down. So let me click this first and you can see it's going down now. Right now, ball is bouncing up and down. Right, after doing that, I just want to add a small background. And I'm going to add blue sky. So please do the same. Later you can change to a different background. For the moment, let's add blue sky, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do the same. Just add the blue sky background. Okay, now ball is bouncing and you can see the blue sky in the background. And I just want to change the size of the ball. I'm changing it to 60. 60. Now ball is little small. Ball small, 60. Size is 60 and it's bouncing. I think you can do these steps, right? Okay, the next thing is I just want the bounce in this. I just want to move the ball here and there without just bouncing up and down. I just want to change time to time, different directions. To do that, we have special thing in in operations, green color one. You can pick a random direction. So you can just take this, pick a random and keep it there. And you can tell, okay, so what is the random direction? I just want to bounce in between minus 45. You can remember minus 45 is this direction. This is minus 45 direction. And I'm going to change the positive limit to plus 45. I just want ball to bounce in between minus 45 to plus 45. Need to change the direction like this. Then ball should go here and there. So let's see now. So it should be a random value. It can be any value between minus 45, not exactly 45. It can be any value between 45 to 45. Okay, let's try again. Now you can see it's going here and there. Right? If you didn't understand, please let me know, then I can explain again, right? Hari, මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? So its ball is bouncing minimum. So minimum it can bounce. That means the minimum angle is this one. This angle, ball can go this angle. That is the minimum angle. And the maximum angle that it can go like this. In between this minimum and maximum angle, it can take any angle. Right? So that is the meaning of pick a random minus 45 plus 45. Okay, shall we do this?
Okay, sir.
Right. You want to share the screen? If you want, you can share the screen now and show me how we are doing, right? Okay, just no, in the blue color motion, go to the motion puthe, blue color one. There you can select point in direction. Yes, yeah, that one. Point in direction 90. Just drag and drop there. Correct. Now click the flag and see it's bouncing vertically now. Now you can click the flag and see it will bounce vertically. Right? Yes, it's bouncing vertically. Okay, now you have to change your speaker random. Keep it there, correct. Then the minimum angle is minus 45 and the maximum angle is plus 45. Please give the range between minus 45 and plus 45 and it will start bouncing in between that. Okay, now we can click the flag and see. Yes, good. It's changing the. Now you can pick a background. Yes, you can pick a background. Right, just pick blue sky. Yes, blue sky, yeah. Not that one, Pute. Yes, previous one, yes. Okay, now you can see it's bouncing. And you can change the ball size also, because tennis ball is like, it looks large. Okay, good. So change the ball size today. Let's change it to yes, 60. Change it to 60, 60. Okay, good. It's working. Perfect. Now I just need a paddle, right? I just need a paddle. Paddle means, so I need to control this bouncing. So that is the game, because this ball is just bouncing, then that is animation. And in my game, I need a paddle to play. So see this carefully. This we have not done previously, right? Therefore, see this carefully. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. See, I'm going to this here, choose a sprite. Then I'm not going to choose a sprite. So without clicking this, I'm going to the paintbrush here. I'm not going to click, right? So I'll just go on top of this, move on top of this, and then I'm selecting the paint. And that will allow us to draw our own sprite. Draw our own sprite. And so let's paint. And there I'm going to change the outline to, okay, outline to 0, no outline needed. I'll just put 0 outline. And fill, I'm going to change this fill to, let's say, okay, some color like this. You can change, you can select any color other than this color, right? Other than this brown, select some other color. Okay, then I'm going to draw the paddle using this rectangle tool. And the rectangle, and I'm drawing in the middle. You have to go to the middle. You can see the middle Pute easily, because there's a like a navigator sign or something like this. So here there's a sign. Just keep the center of this like this. Okay, now you can draw this paddle, right? You can see it's drawing here. Don't change it. Draw in the center and keep it like this. Right, and give a name to this called paddle. So since this is new to you, I'm going to instruct, right? I'm going to instruct how to do this. Okay, kind of share your screen, then I can help you. Okay, just go right, go to the paint, correct? There, change, yes, change that to 0. Okay, fill color you can select, Pute. Fill color that you have to select. You can select any color that you like, except the ground color. Yeah, you can just change it, okay. Except brown color, you can select any color, right? Then you can draw the rectangle. Yes, go to the rectangle, and yes, then you can draw a small paddle there. Okay, I think the paddle is too large. Oh, it's too large now. Just, yes, make it smaller. No, you can, yes, you can, yes, click that. Just click on that. Click on the paddle. Click on top of the paddle. Yes. Normal click. Yeah, can you click, use this arrow Pute to click? Okay, now you can see the corners. You can go to the corners of this and reduce the size. Or you can delete it and draw a new one. So that is easy. Just delete it. Let's delete it and create a new one. Draw a small one, right? Draw a small one. Okay, let me draw it first. So this size will be enough, like this. Okay, that is enough. Good. So let's move that to the middle of the. So go to the arrow. Go to the arrow and move it to the middle. Okay. Yes. Good. That is what I want. Okay. Now you have to give the name of this sprite to paddle. 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 Okay, that is the all right. DDLE. Okay, now you can go back to the code, Pute. Here, you can see the code. Go back to the code segment. Right. Now you have your on sprite, that is the paddle. You can move the paddle using the arrow, right? You can just move the paddle to yes, somewhere here. Let me draw. You can move it somewhere here. This place. Okay, just move it there. Okay, good. Now I just need to move the paddle with the mouse. When I'm moving the mouse, I just need to move the paddle, but only horizontally, right? Only horizontally. So I think you can remember this direction, we call this side we call X direction, right? If not, now you can just keep it in your mind. This side is called X direction, right? The other side, or this side, you call this direction is Y direction, right? So horizontal means X direction, vertical means Y direction. I just want to move the paddle horizontally or X direction with the mouse movement. To do that, I'm going to use events here. Over here, I can see the events. Can you go to the events? Yes, from that, just drag, flag click, just this one, please drag it. Okay, keep it all there. And then, yes, forever from the control, forever. Yes, now you know how to do this faster, right? Good. Forever. And I just need to move the paddle. And okay, let's go to the motion. And then point towards mouse pointer. Okay, now see what will happen. Now just see what will happen. Okay, it's moving like it's moving. It's rotating, right? It's pointing toward mouse direction. I don't need that. So just remove that. Let's remove that, erase that. I don't need. So that is not correct. Okay, you can just keep it all there. And then you can say, so just drag a little. Just drag a little, just scroll a little. Or that scroll current. No, just click on the yes ash color one. This ash color one and click and drag it. Yes, that's okay. Change set. You can see set X2. Set X2 here. That is good. Set X2. Okay, from the sensing, go to the sensing, the light blue color one, and you can say mouse X. Set X2, mouse X. Oh, here, mouse X. Set X2, mouse X. Yes, keep it on inside. Now you can move the mouse and see, all right, it's moving, but only thing it's the angle, right? So it's turned. So you can just say, okay, So before that, go to the motion. Go to the motion. Just go to the motion quickly. And you can drag point in direction 90. Just point in direction 90 because otherwise, like, it's resetting. Okay. Now just see. Now just see whether it's working. Still, so click the flag. Click the flag. All right. Okay. Now it's working, right? Now just remove this point in direction 90. You don't need that. No, just delete that. Just drag out and delete. Now drag again. Right. Okay. Just now you don't need that. I just wanted to set that. That's all. Okay. Just move this a little bit up. No, paddle. Just move the paddle a little bit up. Stop this and you can move. Just stop this and you can move the paddle up. Don't move that much. Here, this place is ideal. You can put it there. Little. Okay, that's good. Keep it there. Okay, now it's going to work and now you have the paddle and so you can try to play the game, but still it's not touching the paddle, right? The ball is not touching the paddle. Can you see? Can you play it? Yes, click the flag and see. Yes, now you can move the paddle, but ball is not touching the paddle. You can't play it. Right, let's change that. Okay, I'll share it in my screen. Okay, now we have done this. We have created the first step. We have everything ready, but only thing is it's not touching. So let's keep it here. And events on flag click, then control forever. I just want to move the mouse X, set X to the mouse X. That means I just want to move the X direction only. Okay, it's moving, nice, but it's not touching the. So I'm going back to the ball. But I'm going back to the ball. I'm telling control if right, if from the sensing touching the paddle, if touching the, I'm going to change it to the paddle. If touching the paddle, I'm going to repeat this instruction. That means go to the motion and point in direction 90, and instead of 90 I'm going to pick a random and telling, okay, point in direction -45 to +45. If touching the paddle, you change. Okay, here now I can see when I touch the paddle, oh, it's okay, it's moving. Now we can play. Okay, so come here, we come here and come here, right? What happen if it drop? So what should happen? Drop punat mokada wenna ona putte? Yes? Is it good to drop or not good to drop? Yenula? Hello? Can you hear me?
It should not bounce back.
Yeah, it should not bounce back. It should end the game, right? It should stop the game. You can do that. Again, you can put if, right? From if you can say if from the sensing, if touching the color, so let's click the color and click this brown color. If this touching the color brown, what you have to do? You have to stop the game, right? Go there and you can stop the game. Yes, the stopping. Stop everything. So go to the control and stop all. Stop all. But before stopping, you can do one thing. You can say game over from the loops. You can say game over. Also, when touching the paddle, you can put a sound, right? Start a pop sound when touching the paddle, right here. Now, oh, nice. You can see a pop sound because it's bouncing. And when it drop, you can play another sound. Maybe you can play a sound. Okay, let's drag a sound, a new sound. I just need new sound. I'm going to take new one. Choose a sound. And let's say effects. No. Okay, this one. Ball and strike. Okay, I'm going to go here and add that ball and strike there. If I drop this ball and strike and stop ball. Okay, let's see now. If I drop the ball, where's the sound? If I drop the ball, okay, good. If I play the ball, okay, great. Okay, now I have added few more steps, right? Right. Now you have more work to do. Let's try this. Okay, you can share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Right. Start sharing your screen and you can now start doing this. Okay, go to the ball, Pute. Go to the ball. Right, now you can start coding. If go to the control now, and you can say if, yes, put it underneath, yes, correct. Then to the sensing, which is in light blue color. You need to, yes, that's also okay. Okay, no issue. Just keep underneath, no, not there, Pute. Right, bottom, yes. Okay, go to the sensing, and yes, if touching the first one is if touching the, you can change it to paddle. Yes, if touching the paddle. The second one is if touching the color. Yes, touching the color, not that one. Just about touching color green. Yeah, that just put the color there. Yes, correct. And change the color. Click on the color and yes, click on this color picker. Yes, then pick the color. Pick the brown color. Okay, correct. That one. Click on that. Just click on that. Click on the brown color. Yes, click on that. Yes, good. Now click OK. Don't change it. Don't change it. Now click out. Right. Okay. Now you have selected the brown color. Right. So if you click on the paddle, what should happen? So go to the motion back, motion, and take this pointing direction. Pointing direction. Keep it inside. Yes. Then the random from the operations. Can get the random from the operations. Green color operations. Okay. Then get this pick random between minus 45 to plus 45. Minus 45 to plus 45. Minus 45 to plus 45. Okay, good. Then, yes, that is correct. Now, yes, go to the control again for the second one, and you are going to stop all. Yes, stop all. And before stopping, you have to go to the sensing looks. Please go to the looks. And from there, you can just drag this hello message and change it to, yes, what? Change it to game over. Oh, just this. Yes, game over. Game over. GAME. It's like this. Game over. Game over. Right, good. Game over. Okay, good. Now the sounds. Sounds? Yes, you can go to the sounds. And from the sounds, yes, the pop should come here, no? No. Pop should come above here. So yeah, drag this aside, drag this and only drag, just drag from this one and keep it away. Yes, now you can drag and keep it above. Correct. That is the position. Now, yes, keep it back. Don't delete. Keep it back in the second. If yes, inside that, yes, correct. And another sound. We can go to the sounds. Sounds. Just go to the sounds. Yeah. And you can search for a new sound. Yeah, find a sound that you like. Any sound that you like, you can take, right? Just play it and see whether you like that sound. Animals or effects. Just play the sound today. Play and see whether you like it. Or you can go to the effects. Anything that you like, you can add, right? Anything that you like, you can add. Okay. Okay, good. Now you can just go to the pod again. Go back to the pod. And there you can just drag that sound. Yes. No, before that, yes. Before say. Okay. Now yes, purple color. Yes, correct. Now you can start playing the game and it should work, right? Okay, it's going up. Oh, game over. Again, try. Going up. Okay, good. Oh, game over. Right. Okay, just move the mouse. And oh, game over. Right. If you want to slow down the ball, right. Okay, good. Now you're playing well, right? Oh, right, good. Going on. Right. If you want to slow down the ball, right? If you want to slow down the ball, you can go here and like change it to move 5 steps. Move 5 steps. Yeah, just change the 10 to 5. Then it will slow down. It will allow you to play more smoother way, right? Just try it now. Just give a try now. Now you can see it's slower, right? And now you have enough time to be prepared and play the game. Right? You have enough time to play the game now. Good. Right, while playing, I just want to add some marks now. Now you can see game is going on, right, good. So I just need to add some marks, right? Okay, let's see how to add marks. I'm going to go to this section. So you can do this with me. Just go to the variables, the orange color one. From the variable, just click on this new variable or make a variable. Just click on that. And I'm going to click on that. And to this variable name, I'm going to give marks. M-A-R-K-S, marks. And click OK. Now you can see marks. Right, when I hit the paddle, I'll give marks. When I hit the paddle, I change marks to marks by 1. Change marks here, change marks by 1. Then when I'm clicking the paddle, you can see, can get some marks. Okay, 6 marks, 7 marks. Okay, 8 marks, good. 9, likewise, my marks are increasing. When I click the, okay, when I select these, okay, You can see I'm getting marks. Okay, so games should be difficult when you go. Game should be difficult. ඉස්සරහට යන්න යන game එක අමාරු වෙන්න ඕන. So because of that, I'm going to do small change here. I'm going to, rather than moving 10 steps, I use operations and tell like this. Move 5 plus from the variables, I'm telling marks. When I get marks, when I have more marks, then my speed is more. The ball speed will be more. When I get more marks, it will speed up. And initially, I just want to set the marks to 0. When I start, I just want to set it to 0. Right? When I start, it's 0. You can see where ball is very, very, very slow and lazy ball. 1 marks. Now a little bit of faster. 2 marks. 3 marks. 4 marks. Okay, good. Still, it's not much faster. 5 marks. Quite faster. 6, faster. 7, more faster. 8, 9. Oh, faster now. It's super fast. So it's very difficult to play. Okay, let me try for the maximum. Oh, game over. I got 20 marks. Right? I got 20 marks. It was harder. Right? What I did, I added a variable, set it to the 0, increase when I'm hitting the paddle, and also I speed up my program based on that marks that I'm getting. Okay, right. So let's try it now. You can do it in your computer also. You know that. Is it difficult? Okay, you can just create the variable marks.
I'll try, sir.
Oh, you have tried. Okay, good. You got the marks. That is good. Okay, then when you hit the paddle, change the marks. Yes, change the marks. You can get this one today. Change the mark by 1. Right, correct. Don't drag it, just correct. Correct, keep it there. Okay, good. Now you can see it's increasing. Play it and see. Just play it and see. It's increasing the marks. And when you hit the paddle, okay, you got 1 mark. Hit the paddle again, 2 marks. Yes, likewise, it's increasing. Good. It's increasing. Right, now I just want to increase the speed too, Pute. So to do that, I can set this, okay. I can set this to 0 initially. Set marks to 0. You can stop the game. Yeah, you can stop the game. And just set marks to 0. Okay. And go to the operations. Go to the operations. Yes, from that, just go add addition and move to the 5, the place 5. Yes, yeah, over there. Yes. Then you can put 5 plus 5. Just put 5 plus from the variables. From the variables, you can get marks. 5 plus marks. Great. Now you can see how many marks that you can obtain. Let's see. I got 20. Okay, start playing. 1 marks. Game is slow. Okay, 2 marks. Healthy. 3 marks. Good. Okay, 4 marks. And 5 marks. Oh, 6 marks. Good. Still good. 7, 8. Oh, now it's faster. Oh, you got 9 marks. Right? You can save this and you can try this later, right? You can save this and try this later, whether you can do this, right? Just save it and try it later. File save. And now you have a game, nice game. And yes, save it and you can just try this later. Give a new name. Yeah, you can give a new name if you want. Otherwise, it will replace. Please click no. no there, and type like game 1. Game 1. Type there, game 1. Here type karan. Game 1. Space 1, yeah. Then save it. Then it won't replace the existing one. Yeah, save it. Okay, good. Now you saw how to get that, right? Okay, so let's do small edit also. I'll improve the game next day, so keep the file with you. So what I'm going to do now? So I don't like the way that it is finishing the game. That game over small one, it's not like here. It's not perfect, right? It's telling game over when I drop this, okay. It's not nice, small. I just want to tell like in a larger font game or something like this. To do that, I'm going to add another one, and okay, to tell the game over, I can just, let's use the blank sky, blue sky 2. And in the blue sky 2, I'm going to click there and go to the backdrops. You can see the blue sky, and here I'm going to type game over in some larger font. Let's use this font. Okay, pixel larger. Game over. That's good. And here this color, let's change, fill it to lighter color like this. Okay, game over. This is nice. I just want to go and tell game over. And I'm going to the code, and when I start this, when I start the tennis ball, whatever, I can say in the looks, switch backdrop to blue sky 1. Blue sky. This is how I'm going to start. Okay, good. But when I game over, I just want to switch the backdrop to blue sky 2. I don't want to display game over. And stop all. Just change the backdrop to blue sky 2 and stop all. So let's see now. Now it's hitting the ball down and game over. I don't want to see this paddle and ball both. So let's go to the looks. And hide the ball. And when I start, I want to show the ball. So when I finish, I want to hide the ball. So similar here, similar to this. Paddle also. Right, I can say if from the control. If right, if game over. To do that, actually I had to put a variable there. So let's go to the ball. Now it's going to be longer one. This is game over. Game over is initially set to the 0. Marks is also 0. Game over is 0. But when I'm when I'm finishing this, I'm setting the game over to 1. When I'm setting the game over to 1, I can go to the paddle and tell if from the control operations, I can say if game over is equal to 1, variable game over is 1, then change. So then you need to hide this from the looks. So let's hide this. I don't want to see that. And when you start, I want to see. Let's start. You can see everything. When I stop or game over, oh, it hides. I didn't hide this one. And before that, it stopped. Here I'm going to put the and control and stop all. After doing all these things, I'm going to stop all. And here in the tennis ball, I'm not going to stop. Okay, let's see. Start back. That's the paddle now. Start again. Okay, you can see the paddle. And when you miss the paddle, game over. You cannot see anything. Paddle is not there. It's game over. Start back. And you can see the paddle. Okay, when you came over, oh, cannot see. No need to show the game over also. You can go there and untick game over. Okay, some more controls. Right, some more controls. Right, let's add that also. So those are some visual controls, right? Visual changes. Okay, you can start doing today. Right, let's draw the game over screen first. Just click on the background. Just click on the background. Yeah. From just select blue sky too. Now click on the blue sky, this one. No, here, the red color. Yes, click on that and go to the backdrops. Yes, you can start typing the text here. And you can type as game over. Select any font you like and yes, use the type tool and type in the middle game over. Yeah, you can type with it. Use the keyboard to type. The thing is the fill color. Yes, fill color, you have to change it to some other color, right? Yes. Okay. Just increase the, yes, increase this also. Increase the saturation also. Saturation, please increase a little. Okay, good. And then you can change the color. All right. Now you can type. Go there and start typing game over. Just click on that and start typing game over. Yes. Game over. G-A, you can see that G-A-M-E-O-V-E-R. O-V-E-R, game over. Okay, good. Right, then. No, then. So can you go back? Yes, go back to the backdrop. Yes. Just drag this to the middle. Just drag this to the middle. What the method aranyan? Center. Center. Yes, keep it there. Okay. Yes. And if you want, you can change the background color also. Fill.
I want to say something to sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then go to the fill. Go to the fill.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Right. Okay. Good. So let's go back to the. No, code. Don't fill there. Go back to the code. Okay. Then go to the ball. Go to the ball. Right there, you can see here, right? So rather than saying game over for 2 seconds, just delete that. The purple color one, just, yeah, both you can delete both. Okay, both you can delete. Right here, you can say, go to the looks, and from there you can just check here, switch backdrops to blue sky 2. Switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Yes, okay. Now go to the top of the code. Just move to the top of the code. And here, yes, you can just switch backdrop to, when you start, switch backdrop to blue sky 1. Switch backdrop to blue sky 1. Is it backdrop 1 or blue sky? Just blues. Yeah, blue sky, only blue sky. Yes. Okay, now you can start. Right now, when you finish the game, okay, let's play. Let's see how many marks you'll get. 3 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 7 marks. Good, good, good. Game over, right? Now you can still play, right? Still play, that you have to stop. Right, to do that, you can just say, go to the variables, right? Oh, they are introduce another variable, make a variable. Right, game over, or just say go, game over. Okay, click OK. Right. So just drag this to the initial stage. Game over is 0 in the beginning, but when you finish, yeah, click, yeah, keep it there. Okay, just drag to the bottom. Just drag to the bottom, and when you finish, here you can say game over again. Set go, but this time you are going to set it to 1. Yes, set it to 1. Okay, 1. Yes. Then go to the looks. And hide this. Just drag from this. Just drag from this silver color or gray color one arrow. Just drag bottom. Yeah, now you can see hide. Just hide it at the last step. And go to the start. Go to the start of the code. No. Start of the code. That is the second one. And again to the looks. All right. From that you can take show. Okay, great. Right. So now you play, and now when you game over, just make it game over. Just drop the ball. And you can see game over. Right. Now you want to hide this one also. To do that, you can go to the slide, this one. No. Please go to the paddle. Click on the paddle, right? Okay. Then drag from the control, click drag if. Control, take if. Yes. Then go to the operations. Get this equal one. No, not that. Last one. Yeah. Make it 1, equal to 1. Here. For the first square from the variables are down now. Again, go to the variables. Drag this go. If go is equal to 1, you are going to hide this. Right? Go to the looks and hide this. Yes, hide this. And again, You have to show this in the beginning. And finally, go to the control. Go to the control. Yes, from that you can say stop all. Just drag. And here stop all. Yes. Yes, keep it there. Not there, not there. Just above, right? Okay, correct. If this is equal to 1 only, you stop, right? Okay, now you can play the game back. Just play, click it again, click the flag again. Click the flag again. Yes, you can see now. Okay. Just drop the ball. Okay, game over. Nothing is there, right? Good. Right. Okay, now we have actually first version of our game. So this is not a complete one. This is the first version. Okay, you can save again. Let's say game 2, file save again, game 2, and try to develop this again if possible, right? Try to develop this again if possible. Give game 2 and save it, right? Just give game 2. Here, please change the name to game 2. Yeah, erase it and type game 2. And next day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to develop this game. Just erase it, backspace. Backspace gahala makala. Just type game 2. Okay, so now, right, after saving, please give the computer to your brother and also call Yutika and inform that. So we are going to start the class. Sorry for the delay, right? Okay, after saving, we are going to finish for today. Right, okay, then see you in the next week. Have a nice day, stay safe. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, stay safe.
Thank you.
Welcome.